Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style channel, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update for indexes. And is it bullish bull trap? Is it bearish reversal signal? Let's do our review and we will figure out what's going on with the stock market. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. Thank you so much. Let me move to VBull. It's a green day. It's a green day for indexes. And Nasdaq 1.1 up, 3/4 for S&P, and 0.5% for Dow Jones. For Dow Jones, let's move to VBull, to our list of the ETFs. Before that, let me tell you about my setup. If you want to learn about VBull setup, it's a link in the description and other links to all my trainings in the description. Okay, VBull setup, moving averages. White line, it's MA 200, moving averages 200. Purple line, it's MA 100. Blue line, it's MA 50. Yellow line, it's MA 20. Red line, MA 10. And green line, MA 5. Moving averages, and I use three indicators. One indicator is a MACD. We have a red line, it's a signal line, and green line, it's a MACD line. When green line does crossover over the signal line uptrend, it's a bullish crossover. When it does crossover downtrend, green line does crossover over signal line in the downtrend, it's a bearish crossover. We call it bearish crossover, like here from on the top. Usually bearish crossover happens above the zero line, because above the zero line is in the histogram between green and red bars. Okay. Bearish crossover usually happens above the zero line, and bullish crossover happens below the zero line. Let's move to RSI. RSI has 70, it's overbought line, and 30, it's oversold line. And the red line, it's a yellow line. It's two yellow lines. Range between 30 and 70, we have a range. Red line is a signal line, and green line, it's a RSI line. When RSI, it's the same like MACD. Bullish crossover and bearish crossover. When green line moves up, it's a bullish crossover over the signal line. When green line moves down over the signal line, it's a bearish crossover. And also oscillator is a simple, and green it's a bullish, red is a bearish state. Okay, let's do a review. We are ready for setup. Let's do review. Okay, start with dollar daily. Red day for dollar. It's a green day for indexes, right? That's what we observed today. MACD still bullish. MACD line still bullish trend. RSI kind of bearish. Also oscillator bullish. We consider still bullish trend on daily. Dollar still bullish. No changes. But the last bar closed below all moving averages. Still bullish trend, but yeah, like I mentioned before, MA 20 did bearish crossover over MA 200, yeah, because it's a downtrend, right? It's very powerful downtrend. That's why we need to move up above MA 20 and 200 to change direction for MA 20. So far, MA 20 downtrend. But we have bullish divergences. We have bullish divergences on all the indicators, and dollar wants to go bullish. Bullish the signal and bullish divergences. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, it's a bearish crossover. Look at it, the MACD, did crossover over signal line. It's a bearish crossover. It's a bearish trend. Bearish trend on all indicators, RSI, MACD, and red bars on awesome oscillator. And MA5 also did bearish crossover over MA10 and over MA20. Bearish trend on 4 hours. On 4 hours it's a bearish with bullish divergences. Yeah, it has bullish, we still have bullish divergences if you let me show you larger picture. From this point to this point it's a downtrend, right? Let me show you like this line. Yeah, from this point to this point it's a downtrend, right? On the MACD, from this point to this point it's an uptrend. It's a bullish divergence. Same on RSI, bullish divergence. Same on awesome oscillator. From this point to this point, uptrend. Bullish divergence. Bullish divergence on all indicators. On 4 hours, it's a bearish trend signal, but bullish divergence. Dollar wants to go bullish. That's why it's a kind of bullish trap for indexes. But we will do summary. Let's continue to do daily review. 1 hour bearish, right? 1 hour bearish, MACD bearish, RSI bearish, awesome oscillator. It was bearish, change last hour, change to green. So far it's a bearish trend on 1 hour, 4 hour daily is still bullish. Okay, let's move to Apple. Let's move to Apple daily. Daily it was kind of indecision mode for Apple. Still bearish trend on MACD is still bearish, right? Still below zero line in the bearish zone with bearish crossover, and on the MACD, on RSI, and awesome oscillator, all indicators still bearish trend for Apple on daily. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, same story. All indicators with bearish signal since December 5th, when MA5 did bearish crossover December 6th. MACD did bearish crossover December 5th, even early. It started from here, from November 25. From November of 25, and it has pulled back, and it came back again. Still bearish on 4 hours on daily. Let's check 1 hour. 1 hour on the 1 hour, it's a bullish, right? MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, over 20. MACD did bullish crossover, RSI bullish crossover, awesome oscillator. On 1 hour, Apple is bearish. On 4 hours and daily bullish. I'm sorry. Opposite. I'm sorry. On 1 hour, it's a bullish. On 4 hours and daily, it's a bearish. Let's move to Qs. Qs daily. Qs daily. Still bearish, right? MACD is still bearish crossover. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. And the last bar still below MA20. Even it's it was bullish, green day, but still below all moving averages except 50. It's still in the bearish direction on the MACD. On the other side, kind of bullish crossover, or awesome oscillator, still red. Still bearish direction on daily. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's check 4 hours for Qs. 4 hours for Qs, still bearish. Still bearish on MACD, on awesome oscillator and RSI. Still bearish. Last bar close above MA50. Yeah, it looks like it bounced from MA50, right? And maybe it touched already MA10. MA10 did bearish crossover. Maybe it will bounce down, will go down, we'll see. So far, it's a bearish trend on 4 hours and daily still. Let's check 1 hour. 1 hour should be bullish. 1 hour is bullish, yeah, 1 hour is bullish. 1 hour is bullish on for Qs. Same like Apple. Bullish on all indicators. And it bounced from MA200, right? It bounced from MA200, but MA20 kind of parallel with MA200. It's still bearish trend. Still bearish kind of power on MA20. We'll see. I think tomorrow it can be negative day. 1 hour. 1 hour bullish, right? Okay, let's move to VXN. VXN daily, volatility index for Nasdaq. Daily, it's a bullish. And it's a bearish for Qs, right? Bullish on all indicators. Bullish crossover. You see MACD green line did bullish crossover uptrend over the signal line. It's a bullish trend. Let's check on 4 hours. 4 hours still MACD bullish trend, RSI bullish trend, awesome oscillator bullish. MA5 did bullish crossover, still bullish trend. Last bar still above MA5, 10, 20. Let's check on 1 hour. On 1 hour it will be bearish, right? It is bearish on 1 hour. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. Last bar closed below all moving averages except 50. MACD did bearish crossover downtrend. RSI did bearish crossover downtrend. Awesome oscillator red. Bearish signal. It's a bullish for Qs on 1 hour. It's confirmation, right? Okay, let's move to SPY. SPY daily. SPY daily. Daily bearish crossover. MA5 did bearish crossover over 210 and 20. MACD bearish crossover, bearish trend. Volume is average volume. Volume is average, bearish crossover, still bearish signal on all indicators. SPY daily. Let's check 4 hours for SPY. 4 hours for SPY. Still MACD bearish crossover, still bearish trend. RSI bearish and also oscillator bearish. The last bar above my 5, 50, 200 and 100, but below 10 and 20. Still bearish trend. It bounced from a 200. Let's check 1 hour. 1 hour will be bullish, right? 1 hour is bullish. Check on the MACD. MACD bounced from a 200. Green line MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20. Bullish signal on 1 hour. MACD bullish crossover. On RSI bullish crossover. And also oscillator bullish. 1 hour bullish trend. 4 hours and daily bearish trend. Let's check VIX. Volatility index for SPY. Daily still bullish. VIX still bullish. It's a bearish for SPY, right? On all indicators. MACD did bullish crossover. Last bar above May 200. Bullish trend on daily. 4 hours also bullish trend. On 4 hours also bullish trend on all indicators. It's a bearish for SPY. And 1 hour will be bearish, right? 1 hour should be bearish. It is bearish it's a bearish on MACD, bearish crossover, downtrend, right? MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. RSI did bearish crossover and also oscillator red bearish. It's a bullish for SPY on 1 hour. Let's move to Dow, DIA, Dow Jones on daily. Still bearish trend, bearish divergences on all indicators. Still bearish signal on all indicators. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. Last bar still below MA20. Bearish signal. 4 hours. 4 hours still bearish. Bearish direction. Bearish signal on MACD. And bearish divergences on all indicators. And bearish signal on RSI. Bearish signal on awesome oscillator. One green bar, but still bearish. Bearish signal on all indicators, right? On 4 hours. Let's check 1 hour. 1 hour should be bullish. Yeah, 1 hour still bullish. Confirmation on yeah, MACD bullish crossover. RSI bullish crossover. Also oscillator was bullish, but last hour it changed to red. And the MA5 wants to do bearish crossover. Yeah, looks like on 1 hour it wants to go. It's still bullish, but it wants to go bearish. Let's see. VXD daily volatility index for Dow Jones. Daily bullish crossover, bullish trend on all indicators. It's a bearish for Dow. 4 hours. 4 hours bullish signal on MACD, on RSI, on awesome oscillator. Last bar red. MA5 wants to do bearish crossover. Still bullish on MACD on 4 hours. And 1 hour. 1 hour it will be bearish, right? 1 hour is bearish. Bearish on MACD, bearish crossover, bearish on RSI, also oscillator bearish. And MA5 also did bearish crossover. MA5 green line did bearish crossover over 10 and 20 downtrend. Same like all other indexes. 1 hour bullish, confirmation. It's a bearish on 1 hour, bullish for Dow. Let's move to IWM daily. IWM daily, bearish crossover. It's a bearish trend on MACD, bearish trend on RSI, bearish trend on awesome oscillator, bearish trend on moving averages. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, 20, and 200. It's a bearish, even bar closed below 100. It's still above MA50, but below all moving averages. MA200 downtrend. Still bearish on daily for IWM, for Russell 2000. 4 hours. 4 hours, yeah, still bearish. On MACD still bearish. RSI still bearish. Awesome oscillator last bar has green color. But still, MA5 still below, the bars below MA200 and below MA10 and 20. Still bearish on 4 hours. On 1 hour, it should be bullish, right? 1 hour, it is bullish. MACD did bullish crossover, bullish trend. RSI kind of bullish. Awesome oscillator change, last hour changed to red. And MA5 wants to do bearish crossover. Maybe it will change to bearish. Okay, let's do summary. All indexes on daily and 4 hours, they are still with bearish divergences and bearish trend on all, with reversal bearish signal on 4 hours and daily time frame. But on 1 hour, they are bullish. All indexes bullish. I think it's a bullish trap for 1 hour. and for today and maybe tomorrow it will go down. Next week it will be huge volatility, but still we still have bearish trend. I believe market will continue to go bearish because it has still bearish divergences on all indicators, and it has still bearish signal on all indicators, also on 4 hours and daily. Only 1 hour, 1 hour it's a short time frame, it's a bullish trap, but we still, all indexes still have bearish reversal signal. Okay, thank you so much. If you like the simple trading style, please go to the description, and there are several links about all my trainings. You can learn more about it. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes. Please read it. Okay, last page. Thank you for watching simple trading style video, and this style works for stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. Please subscribe for all my channels and click like button. You will get all my updates. I do publish also daily updates for crypto and for stocks. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.